Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Anton Maroon, and in this video, I'm going to take you through some of my struggles this week. I'm going to tell you what's wrong with my camper van in a second, but first I need you to smash the subscribe button and gently tickle the like button on this video. If you do that, there is a better chance that my camper van will be fixed in time for me to go on this epic camping trip this week. But right now, it's not looking too hot. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel, like this video. It's free, and hopefully good things happen.
Yay!
Okay, let's get into the story time of what's happening. Okay guys, here's the deal. I have a camping trip set to sail on Friday. Right now it is a Tuesday, and I just got a call from my mechanic basically saying that I should not drive my camper van because there is a crack near the gearbox and something to do with the steering is loose and somewhat not safe to drive. My mechanic lives about an hour and a half away from my house, so it's a little bit inconvenient, but sometimes you gotta drive to get a quality mechanic. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna go on my camping trip this Friday, which was basically gonna be my first big camping trip with the van. I was so excited for it. It sucks. The uncertainty sucks. But I'm still grateful for everything I have in life, and I realize that it's still a privilege to be able to think and worry about something as little as I'm not going to go on a trip this week. Like, that's a big privilege to have, so I recognize that. I'm super grateful for everything that I have. I really mean that. But right now I'm just a little flustered. Alright, so my brother just picked me up. We are heading to the mechanic right now. We got about an hour drive ahead of us. See you at the mechanic. Alright, just got to the mechanic. Now I'm going to see what the deal is with my van. Okay, bad news. First things first, there is a crack in the frame, basically connecting the steering to the frame. I don't know how that's going to work out. I'm just got a lead from my mechanic to go to a welding place because he doesn't do welding work. So that's the first step on this journey, is to get my frame welded. And then there's about $1,000 to $1,500 worth of more work to do with the radiator system and the oil, and it's a mess, but I'll get through it. So now to the welder.
Someone welded it before. Look. Oh,
somebody tried to fix it. If you really want to do it, we're going to charge you to reinforce it. It's $500, right?
Alright, so today is the next day. I'm going to go to the welding shop an hour away because it's so hard to find a trusted guy to work on your car these days. Am I right? But my mom graciously decided to give me a ride. Hey mother, where are we going?
To pick up your van.
Well, not really pick it up.
I know. We're gonna take it from where it was welded.
Yay!
What was welded again?
Like the frame. Something was cracked.
Oh, the steering.
The
steering. That's pretty dangerous. Yeah.
How far away is the mechanic and the welding?
It's over an hour. At least you'll be safe.
What was the lesson?
The
in this whole
lesson
experience
is to check a van before you purchase it to see what issues there are. beforehand, not after you build it up.
Wise words from a mother. Only a mother would know. So, learn from my mistakes. Check your van. Buy a mechanic before you purchase, not even after, before you purchase. And that'll save yourself a lot of headache and heartache and money ache. Yeah, especially with an older van. Not smart, Anton. Not smart. It's okay. All right, just got my van back and it's looking really good. I checked out the welding job. It's amazing. Now I'm going to go back to my mechanic, which is about 5 minutes away, to drop off the van to get the rest of the transmission work done and make sure I'm all good to go on the road. Just dropped off the van and now I'm going to drive home with my lovely mother. No, we're going to get food and then go to downtown Disney. That's what we're doing. We're going to get food and then we are going to go to downtown Disney. Oh, what are you doing here? Let's go.
Let's go.
So Joni's gonna fix the horn. It doesn't honk right now. So
Yeah, I can't believe you've been driving it without the horn. Okay, honking. You live on the edge, don't you? It's like, wow.
yeah, you could say that.
Wow. I just found out. He never told me because he knew if he told me, I'd be like freaking out and making him do it a long time ago. He does that, drive without a horn. Oh my God. Talk about accident waiting to happen.
Yeah, but everything will all work out. Everything will be fine. The van will be okay. We have our health.
Thank God, now that the steering wheel won't fall to the ground and the horn will work, you might be able to get someplace in one piece. And now I can sleep good at night. Thank you, son.
That's my mother. All right, so me and my mom were in the area, so we are now in downtown Disney.
Thank you, Anton, for taking us here. You turned into a bland day of going to the mechanics. It was such a fun day. I'll remember this forever.
Aww.
Downtown Disney makes everybody happy.
You gotta have fun in life.
Yeah, I always try to incorporate
Totally.
whatever.
We were in the area,
Yeah,
so why not?
exactly. That's how I look at it. Oh my goodness, look how fun that is over there.
Oh, that looks cool.
Beautiful.